Welcome. This is how to clean CPU heat sink from dust. So, first one is shut off your PC, unplug it, and after that, remove the side panel for access. And now, just simply remove the cooler by disconnecting the fan cable first, unscrew or unclip the heatsink, and take it out carefully. Now, to clean the fan, use a can of compressed air to blow dust out of the fan blades. And of course, hold the blades still while blowing to avoid damage. And now you could clean the heat sink fins as well by blowing compressed air through the fins from a different angles. And for stubborn dust, use a soft brush to loosen it before blowing again. And now just simply go ahead and reinstall the cooler and place it back in and secure it evenly and reconnect the fan cable. And now just simply boot your PC and monitor the CPU temperature with core temp or HW monitor because a clean heatsink should improve airflow and cooling.